Hi, I'm Holly. Welcome to Insider Style with Winstan. I'm joined by Kate Lawrence, interior designer. So what's your best advice for people renovating or building when it comes to choosing window finishings?
So I have 3 top tips. Number 1 would be, if you're building from scratch, plan early how you want them set up, talk to your builder. My second tip would be, go out to market and see what different types of products might work best in your house. So I've put sheer curtains in here, I put roller blinds, but previously in other renovations I've done plantation shutters, which are also beautiful. But going out to market, seeing what works with your interior selections. My third tip would be getting all your samples together and choosing the colour, of the roller blind or the sheer with your other samples there. So you can kind of know that the colours all work together. So they're my top 3 tips.